ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ DCEಗೆ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. In this video, I am going to present how to evaluate limits by using L'Hopital's rule. Type 3. Evaluation of limits of the form 0 into infinity, infinity minus infinity. L'Hopital's rule may be employed to evaluate the limits which are of the forms 0 into infinity, infinity minus infinity. In this case, by suitable simplification, the indeterminate forms are reduced to the form 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, and then L'Hopital's rule is applied. Problems. Evaluate limit x tends to 0, x into log x. Here the function is x into log x. First of all, I am going to substitute x equal to 0 in the given function. That means 0 into log 0 equal to 0 into minus infinity. This is an indeterminate form. Next, I am going to rearrange the given function, that is x into log x, as log x divided by 1 by x. Here the form of the given function is changed, but the value of the function is remain same. Next, I am going to substitute x equal to 0. Then log 0 divided by 1 by 0. Log 0 is minus infinity. 1 by 0 is infinity. This is also indeterminate form. That's why I am going to apply L'Hopital's rule to evaluate the given limit. Here log x differentiation is 1 by x. 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x square. So, the process of differentiation completed. 1 by x into minus x square. So, 1x get cancelled. Then, the remaining value is minus x. Now, substitute x equal to 0, then we are going to get 0 as answer. That means 0 is a finite value. That's why the answer for the given question is 0. Next question. Evaluate limit x tends to 0, x into log of tan x. First of all, I am going to substitute x equal to 0 in the given function. That means 0 into log of tan 0, which is equal to 0 into log 0, because tan 0 is 0. 0 into minus infinity. This is indeterminate form. Before going to apply L'Hopital's rule, I am going to change the given function, that is x into log of tan x, as log of tan x divided by x, divided by 1 by x. Now substitute x equal to 0. Then log of tan 0 divided by 1 by 0. The numerator value equal to log 0, denominator value equal to infinity. But we know log 0 is minus infinity. Then we are going to get indeterminate form minus infinity by infinity. Now we are going to apply L'Hopital's rule. Log differentiation is 1 by tan x. Tan x differentiation is secant square x. 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x square. After rearranging, we are going to get 1 by x square becomes minus x square secant square x divided by tan x. Now I substitute x equal to 0. 0 into anything? 0. Tan 0 is 0. This is also an indeterminate form. Now I am rearranging the terms in the function, that is minus x square secant square x divided by tan x. That is, I am writing x square as x into x secant square x divided by tan x. And I am going to take this x in the numerator to the denominator as follows. Minus x into secant square x divided by tan x by x. The form of the function is changed, but the value does not change. Now applying limit separately. Limit x tends to 0 minus x secant square x into limit x tends to 0 tan x by x can be written as x by tan x. We know that the value of this limit is 1. Now observe first limit. 0 into anything equal to 0. So 0 into 1. That means 0. This is the value of given limit. Next question. Evaluate limit x tends to pi by 2 secant x minus tan x. First of all, I want to substitute pi by 2 in the given function. Secant pi by 2 minus tan pi by 2. Secant pi by 2 is infinity minus tan pi by 2 is infinity. This is indeterminate form. Before going to apply L'Hopital's rule, I am writing secant as 1 by cos x and tan x as sin x by cos x. Here denominators are same. Take LCM. Then we are going to get 1 minus sin x by cos x. Now substitute x equal to pi by 2. 1 minus sin pi by 2 divided by cos pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1. Cos pi by 2 is 0. 0 by 0. This is also an indeterminate form. Now I am going to apply L'Hopital's rule. 1 differentiation is 0. Sin x differentiation is cos x. Cos x differentiation is minus sin x. That means minus cos x divided by minus sin x. Minus minus get cancelled. We are going to get cot x. Now I am going to substitute pi by 2 in the place of x. Then we are going to get cot pi by 2. Cot pi by 2 is 0. Means the value of given limit is 0. Next question. Evaluate limit extends to 0, 1 by x square minus 1 by x tan x. By direct substitution of the limit x equal to 0, 1 by x square means 1 by 0 square is 0. 1 by 0 into anything equal to 0, which is equal to infinity minus infinity, indeterminate form. Now I am going to take LCM. Then LCM is x square into tan x. Then here we are going to get tan x minus x. After taking LCM, again substitute x equal to 0. Then tan 0 minus 0 by 0 into anything 0. Tan 0 is 0 minus 0 by 0, 0 by 0. This is also an indeterminate form. Now I am going to change the form of the function like this. Tan x by tan x minus x as it is. Instead of writing x square, I am writing x cube. Here I am writing x. That means 1x cancel. Then we are going to get x square only. Tan x as it is. Here the form of the function is changed. Now I am going to apply limit for this one, limit for this function. Limit extends to 0, tan x minus x by x cube. Limit extends to 0, x by tan x. We know the value of this limit is 1. 1 into anything equal to anything. That means limit extends to 0, tan x minus x by x cube. Now I am going to apply L'Hopital's rule. The differentiation of tan x is secant square x. The differentiation of x is 1. The differentiation of x cubed is 3x square. Now substitute x equal to 0. Again we are going to get indeterminate form 0 by 0. Again apply L'Hopital's rule. Differentiation of secant square x is 2 into secant x. Secant x differentiation is secant x into tan x. 3x square differentiation is 6x. Now I am writing this function as a product of two functions, that is 2 times of secant square x by 6 into tan x by x. 2 1s are, 2 3s are. Now again I am going to apply separate limit for these functions. Then we are going to get this step. But I know the value of second limit as 1. 1 into anything equal to anything. That's why limit extends to 0, secant cubed, secant square x by 3. Substitute x equal to 0. Secant 0 is 1. 1 square is 1. So, after substituting the limit, we are going to get answer as 1 by 3. This is the value of given limit. Next question. Evaluate limit extends to 0, 1 by x square minus 1 by sin square x. First of all, I want to substitute x equal to 0 in the given function. then 1 by 0 square is 0 minus 1 by sine 0 0, again 0 square is 0. That means infinity minus infinity. This is an indeterminate form. Taking LCM, then LCM is x square into sine square x. Here I am going to get sine square x minus x square. After completion of LCM, again substitute x equal to 0. Sine 0 0, 0 square is 0, 0 square is 0, 0 into anything 0. That means 0 by 0. This is also an indeterminate form. Now I am going to change the form of this function. Observe sine square x minus x square. Instead of writing x square, I am writing x power 4. To compensate that one, I am writing x square here. Sine square x. Now x square get cancelled. We are going to get x square only. That means the form only changed. After completion of changing of form, apply the limit separately. Sine square x minus x square divided by x power 4. Here we can write x square by sine square x as x by sine x whole square. That means the limit of x by sine x is 1, 1 square is 1. So, the value of the limit is equal to 1. 1 into anything equal to anything. That's why we have only this function. For this function, we are going to apply L'Hopital's rule. Apply L'Hopital's rule, then sine square x differentiation is 2 into sine x differentiation is cos x square differentiation is 2x, x power 4 differentiation is 4x cube. But I am going to write 2 sine x cos x as sine 2x minus 2x divided by 4x cube. Substitute x equal to 0, then sine 0 0, 2 into 0 0, 4 into 0 0. That means we are going to get an indeterminate form. Again, sine 2x differentiation is cos 2x. 2x differentiation is 2 minus 2x differentiation is 2. 4x cubed differentiation is 12x square. Substitute x equal to 0, then cos 0 1, 1 into 2 is 2, 2 minus 2 by 12 into 0. 2 minus 2 equal to 0 by 0. That means again we arrive at indeterminate form. Again applying L'Hopital's rule, then we are going to get numerator differentiation as minus 4 sine 2x and differentiation of denominator as 24x. 4 1 jar, 4 6 jar. Now I am going to write this as minus sine 2x divided by, here 2x is there, that's why I am going to write 3 into 2x. That means minus 1 by 3 into sine 2x divided by 2x. Now I am going to apply limit x tends to 0. Whenever x tends to 0, 2x is also tends to 0. That's why the value of this limit is 1. Means final answer is minus 1 by 3 into 1. That is minus 1 by 3. This is the value of given limit.